Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down, and then you should see a lever here that will pull. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing under the hood. If there's no tension at all in this handle, you might need to double check behind all this plastic that the cables are properly attached. If they're not, you'll have to address that. But now we'll go up to the front. Now that we see that this hood's loose, we should find a handle towards the left that we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then I'm going to grab this little arm here to help hold the hood up. So we got this arm here that's helping hold it. This is what that lever looked like. As you can see, this cable runs over to this mechanism. So from here you want to double check nothing's bent out of place. Clean any debris out that might be in here. If it's not moving very freely, you might need to spray some WD-40 in here to loosen it up. And then the top, this is what the top looked like that it's hooked onto. Again, make sure it's not bent, and make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if this is closing crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But that's it. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.